Respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Sayyid Musa Abbas Raza Santosh Kumar was a Pakistani film actor who was popular in the 1950s and 1960s. He is also known as the first romantic hero of Pakistan and is often recognized for his role in Pakistan cinema. He was from an Urdu-speaking family from Lahore, Pakistan. His brother Darpan was also a film actor during the same period, while his other brother Suleiman was a film director. After the partition of India in 1947, Santosh Kumar migrated to Lahore, Pakistan with his family. Initially, he was married to Jamila Begum in 1953, but subsequently married actress Sabiha Khanum on 1 October 1958. The first Nigar Award for the Best Actor in the history of Nigar Award was presented to him in film Vada 1957. Then he won the Best Actor Nigar Award for 1962 and 1963. Finally, he was awarded Sitara Imtiaz by the President of Pakistan in 2010. Long after his death, Santosh Kumar died on 11 June 1982 at age 56. Well wishes all the viewers. Goodbye.